In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add users in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to invite new users to your Confluence site and give them access to collaborate with your team. To get started, sign in to Confluence with an administrator account. Then click the Settings or Admin icon and open User Management. In the Administration area, select Directory, then click Users to view your organization's existing users. Next, click Invite Users. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. If you're inviting multiple users, you can enter several email addresses at once. Before sending the invitation, make sure Confluence is selected as the product they should have access to. If your organization uses groups to manage permissions, assign the user to the appropriate group so they receive the correct level of access. Once everything looks correct, click Invite Users. An invitation email will be sent, allowing the user to activate their account and sign in to Confluence. If the user doesn't receive the invitation, ask them to check their spam or junk folder or resend the invitation from the user management page. That's how to add users in Confluence. Thanks for watching.